The dictation will start in 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Start. The appellant has filed a commercial suit against the respondents regarding copyright of two music videos. Full stop. The appellant has sought a declaration that respondent number 1 owns copyright and has prayed for an injunction against respondent numbers 2 to 6. Full stop. In the interim application taken out by appellant in suit, comma, an interim order was passed by consent of parties. Full stop. However, comma, later on, comma, upon an application filed by respondent numbers 2 and 3, the learned single judge has varied the consent order. Full stop. Challenging this order, comma, the appellant is before us by this commercial appeal under section 13 of Commercial Codes Act 2015. Full stop. Company was set up to produce sound, comma, audio, comma, music, videos and to promote or publish the same. Full stop. Appellant and respondent number 2 each hold 50% shares. Full stop. Shiv Tandon is the brother of respondent. Full stop. Similarly, comma, defendant numbers 5, 6, 7 and 8 are individual entities in the same profession whom the appellant joined as parties to suit, as appellant has alleged that they have colluded with respondents. Full stop. Appellant filed commercial IP suit number 7101/2020 on 11th August 2020 and made them defendants. Full stop. The suit was regarding copyright of two music videos. Full stop. Company has produced the songs by utilizing investment amount. Full stop. Respondent number 1 is solely and exclusively entitled to deal with songs and commercially exploit the same. Full stop. According to the appellant, comma, he has invested a substantial amount in producing songs. Full stop. Company was the exclusive producer and owner of the copyrights in songs and respondent numbers 2 to 6 committed infringement of copyrights of respondent number 1 and they should be restrained by order of injunction from dealing with songs in any manner. Full stop. Appellant also sought compensation for the infringement of copyrights. Full stop. The other reliefs ancillary to the main reliefs were also prayed. Full stop. In the alternative, comma, it was prayed to modify the order to the extent that they be allowed to release and exploit the suit songs and that they would maintain and submit accounts in court. Full stop. Honorable High Court observed that the interlocutory consent order could be set aside by an application in the same suit, comma, but for that, comma, proper grounds must exist. Full stop. Thus, comma, the parties should be generally made bound to the consent freely given even in an order. Full stop. Such consent order should not be readily set aside or recalled unless the court is satisfied that there are valid grounds. Full stop. Having agreed to a particular course of action. Full stop. Next para, it reduced into writing, comma, then no statement made by any person to a police officer in the course of an investigation under this chapter shall be signed by the person making it, or any part of such statement or record be used for any purpose, full stop, when any witness is called for the prosecution in such enquiry or trial, comma, then any part of his statement may be used by the accused and with the permission of the court, comma, it can also be used by the prosecution to contradict such witness in the manner provided by section 145 of the Indian Evidence Act, comma, 1872, and when any part of such statement is so used, comma, then any part may also be used in the re-examination of such witness, comma, but only for the purpose of explaining any matter referred to his cross-examination, full stop. Nothing in this section shall be deemed to apply to any statement falling within the provisions of section 32 of the Indian Evidence Act 1872 or to affect the provisions of section 27 of that act, full stop. An omission to state a fact or circumstance in the statement may amount to contradiction if the same appears to be significant and relevant, full stop. It shall have regard to the context in which such omission occurs, and whether any omission amounts to a contradiction in the particular context shall be a question of fact, full stop. No police officer or other person in authority shall offer or make or cause to be offered or made any such inducement, comma, threat or promise as is mentioned in section 24 of the Indian Evidence Act, comma, 1872, full stop, but, comma, no police officer or other person shall prevent any person from making in the course of any investigation under this chapter any statement which he may be disposed to make of his own free will and consent, full stop. Nothing in this section shall affect the provisions of section 164 of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973, full stop. Whether any metropolitan magistrate or judicial magistrate may have jurisdiction in the case or not, comma, he can record any confession or statement made to him in the course of an investigation under this chapter or under any other law for the time being in force or afterwards or before the commencement of the inquiry or trial, full stop. No confession shall be recorded by a police officer on whom any power of a magistrate has been conferred under any law for the time being in force, full stop.